Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. A very popular question that we get is, how do I know if I have a flea problem or if my pet has fleas? Let's start at the top. Let's take a visual inspection of your pet. Are they chewing or biting on themselves a lot? Let's look around on their armpits, their stomach, or maybe by the base of their tail. What you're looking for are little black insects or flea dirt. Second, you'll want to check their bedding or other areas that they frequent a lot. Again, you're looking for little black insects or flea dirt. Or you can try our pro tip, and that's the white sock test. Put on some white socks and shuffle around the house like you're an elderly person. This should stimulate the insects and they should jump on your socks. And the reason you use white socks is because you can see them a little bit better. Now remember, hopping is what differentiates fleas from mites. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Now remember, hopping is what differentiates fleas from mites.
Excellent. That's